Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your previous taskers on TaskRabbit. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your previous taskers on TaskRabbit. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to TaskRabbit. Then on the bottom right-hand corner, click on My Taskers. So this right here on the top-hand side, click on the tab that says Past Taskers. And so with it, you'll be able to see all your past taskers on TaskRabbit. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your previous taskers on TaskRabbit. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.